everyone, Shark the Bear here, back at it again with another unboxing video. Today I actually did a little bit of the unboxing off camera, in the sense that I took it out of the box off camera so that I could do it real quick, and I'm recording it with my cell phone with my Note 8, so you know, this is going to be real quick. So today we have the Clarisonic Mia Fit. I also made a similar video about the Clarisonic Mia 2, which my mom has for herself, and she just bought me this. Anyway, I can post that video if you like. So this is what the box looks like. That's the outer sleeve. Let's look at the actual product. So the total order, and I also bought the official case. I've ordered it off of the Clarisonic website. I did not have any promo code because they did not have any promotion at the moment, but the day it got delivered, I just checked their website and they had a promotion going on, so terrible luck on my part. Oh, look at that. So the whole thing cost me $264.13. So that includes, this is $25 and the rest is this plus tax. I don't know what it is. And I also got mine engraved because why not? So, oh, if you can see it, I don't know if you can see it or not. It's actually, you can feel the lettering. So Ashrek is my name, and I have the unicorn emojis. It looks pretty nice. It has a nice feel to it. So that's the brush right here. Let's put the brush on. I don't know how to put it on. I'm a noob. And I set up, my mom got the Mia 2 like a long time ago. This is something my best friend got. She also got one for herself, one for her mother a long time ago. She's the one who told me about this, after which my mom got the Mia 2, because that's like a little bigger and more comfortable to hold and has more different types of modes. Whereas this one, as you can see, it's very compact. So this one's more travel friendly. How the hell are you supposed to set it up? Wait, give me 1 second. Let me do it off camera real quick. I'm so sorry about that. I'll keep talking to keep you... Okay, there you go. So I stuck it, and then... Wait. I think I'm supposed to take this off, huh? To reset brush head indicator, press the power button for 3 seconds. Okay. Oh. So this is the soft, the delicate mode, and this is the like supersonic mode. Oh my god, if I go on my face with this, like it's gonna be, this is heavy duty. Duty. No, I did not say duty, I said duty. Come on, guys. We're not kids over here. Oh, it comes with a Clarisonic facial cleanser. That's nice. That's pretty cool. So it says refreshing gel cleanser, foaming gel, purifies and refreshes, blah blah blah. I heard from somewhere that, and by somewhere I mean the internet, that foaming cleansers strip your skin of its essential oil. So what is this? Welcome to blah 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 blah. Oh, I have to register my product. Cool. And this is where, this is like the, sorry, ignore my cables. This is the charging dock situation. So this is how it stands. You put it over this. Oh my god, it's day 1 and I'm messing it up, huh? And this is the bag for it. It's a great bag. Again, this is the official bag for Clarisonic Mia 2. It's actually gorgeous. I love it. It has Clarisonic embossed on it. And look at that, it fits perfectly. I assume the hole is here so you can't, wait, what? Is it for drying purposes or for a wire? I thought it was for a wire, but I guess not. Anyway, you close it down, you're good to go. You pack it up, you're good. So that is it for this video. Again, this is a Clarisonic Mia Fit traveling case, and you can see my video on the Clarisonic Mia Fit, like the unboxing of the actual product, in my other video. So thank you so much for watching. This is Shark the Bear, and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.